"What are you doing?" says Mrs. Campion. "I'm going to start pulling apart my wiring loom and having a look at it." "You're not going to make a mess, are you?" "Yes, clearly." Right then, I'm going to have a look at the wiring loom. This is a loom out of my car. I'm not sure if it's original or not. The tape doesn't look particularly great. So what the plan is to strip it all back, all the tape off it. I've got some cable ties so I can keep all the bits that are taped together. And then I can clean up the wires so we can see the colours better. I'm going to label up what each plug is with a bit of yellow tape and a Sharpie. Then once I've done that, I'm going to use my meter and go through and verify the wiring continuity, have a look at all the plugs, and I need to get some contact cleaner and a little contact cleaning brush, which will all be in this video. I haven't got those yet, so I'll make this over a couple of days. Today's job, strip the loom down and try and verify it all works. Something else I've got, you can see there, is the Haynes manual. The key to the right wiring diagram is on the back side of the wiring diagram, so I've just done a photocopy, so I've got the key so I can see what all the abbreviations are, what all the numbered items are and whatnot. So time to get stuck in after I've made a cup of tea. So far, going to this plug. I'm not sure what it is yet, but I found one rather melted wire. It stuck itself to some of the others, but doesn't appear to have caused any damage to others yet. So it does appear to be shared with that one there, green with a white tracer. So I shall investigate what plug this is and check for any further damage. This one is the ignition switch. I'm going to tie that off and once we strip off the loom further, I can address the stripped wire, because it appears if you go to the radio, supply the radio, so it'll be easy enough to replace and cut out the old. Obviously, once all the loom tape's off, it'll be far easier to identify that if that wire's caused any further damage. So that's me done for today. I've got all the loom tape stripped off, labelled up everything, what all the plugs are, following the wiring diagram in the Haynes manual. I've got 3 plugs I need to replace: the alternator, hazard light, flasher, and I've written down the other one. 4 plugs, 2 headlight plugs. They're the only ones that really look bad. The rest I think I'll clean up with a fiberglass pencil contact cleaner and some contact cleaner spray. Tomorrow I will bell out all the wiring, make sure there's continuity where there should be. There's a couple of bits that need repairing. There was a wire on the ignition switch loom, which is this one, but it shorted out. I believe, looking at the Haynes manual, it was for a radio. It didn't go past this point in the loom, so I think it just looped back and it is shorted out somewhere, perhaps on the body or something. So that was all melted. So there's a couple of bits of insulation. I'm obviously going to test the wires, but there's a bit of burnt insulation. It doesn't look like it's gone through to the cores, but I'll re-insulate it all anyway just to be sure. But yeah, the loom's looking a lot better with all that tape off it. So I better tidy up now, and I'll see you in a flash. So it's a new day. I've got a little nylon bristle brush, a fiberglass contact cleaning pen, and a can of electrical contact cleaner. I've made a start. I've cleaned, we'll see if we can see in there, I've cleaned that up. See, they look quite nice now. When you compare to something like that, quite dirty and horrible. Given this clean too, see the shiny metal of the contacts now. That was all grubby and horrid before, so going to carry on cleaning these contacts and report back in a few minutes. So I've been through all the connectors and cleaned up all the contacts up. I've everything's all labelled, little bits of writing on tape, and I've re-wrapped it in some loom tape. I've got things like the alternator plug that needs replacing, it's garbage, and there was another, the flasher unit, hazard light flasher plugs, garbage, so I need to replace those 2. I've done everything except the lighting section of the loom. That's yeah, I need to do something with that anyway because of my flip front. As you can see, the loom is now fitted on the car. That speedo in there is just placed in, but the loom's all fitted in the right place. I've got the bullets there to match up with these. The body loom goes to the rear, they all need cleaning up, new one put on there. Still got to replace this plug, and the alternator plug still needs replacing. So yeah, things are, loom's all nice, all stuck in the car. It's all plugged in down there. So yeah, things are progressing. I've done a bit more work on the car since the last video you saw the car in, which hopefully will be in an update soon. You can't see a lot there now, but it's all covered up to keep the dust off it. But I've done a bit more work on the car and the engine, so there'll be videos coming on those soon. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, do. Just don't let go. Oh, don't say that. What's his name? What any name for it?
Call it Adam.
It's a gal chicken. So, I've come all the way to Wales. Where are we?
North Wales.
North Wales. And I found him camping. He's got a nice little afro going on. Haven't you, mate? So yeah, this is Adam. This is on Wales Nature Reserve. We've been to see the sheep. We've seen the horses. We've seen Adam.
The Shire horses.
The Shire horses. So we've seen the sheep. We've seen the Shire horses. We've seen Adam. Any other animals, mate?
I've got 2 dogs.
You got 2 dogs. They've gone. They've run off. So yeah. See you in a minute.